Hi friends, today you are going to learn how to make paper windmill. Let's get started. Friends, for this activity we need green A4 sheets, white A4 sheet, scissor, one straw, common pins and UHU glue. To take the green A4 sheet and we are going to fold it and we will get the square. We are going to cut from this side. Friends, now we have square sheet. Now we will get the center part of this sheet. So we are fold it half, then fold it like this, 1/4. Now we will get the center. So we are going to open this. This is the center of the paper. We will leave 1.5 inch from all sides and we will mark with the pencil. Here you can see the dots. Now we will take the scissors and we are going to cut till this dot. In this way we will cut all the folded parts. Next part is we will put some glue in the center. I will hold this here and fold it like this. Stick it properly, don't fold this. Just give some pressure on this point. Now I am going to take the next part and I am going to hold it like this and put some glue again. I am going to fold it like this, hold it for some time, apply some glue in the center and fold the fourth part, hold it for some time. Next step is I will take this white sheet and I am going to get a small circle. I'm going to cut it. Apply some glue on the white circle and paste it here. Now next step is take a common pin and insert in the center. Then take one straw and fix it from the back side.